how do you pronounce your name?
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to new session. Yeah, sir, you was telling something. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, how do you pronounce your name? The right
Pramod.
way.
Pramod.
Pramod.
Yeah.
Pramod. Thanks.
Yes.
You have to put the P and R together like a cat. Pramod.
Yeah. Yeah. Pramod. Yeah. Last session we was discussing about how to take trade in Trendex daily. So I think you understood this, sir, right? So today let's see about candles very deeply, like previous session I showed, but once again we'll see this. We'll understand like one second. Yeah, we can you can understand a better way, like not only near support resistance, but sometimes it will make another support. Even we'll see that. First, I'll come to that point. Okay. So this is basic what I'm showing now. Assume that this is trend X. So when market the day will start, that we are in uptrend. This is daily X. Okay, market is coming down. Here is your S1. Okay, this is S1. If market is coming here and start moving up, okay, once again it will come down, right? This will be the daily support. Let me change the color for this. Okay, this will be the daily support or demand. So recently I was seeing in Subware, it was coming from here and it start going. So we should, like, whenever you will take the trade here, so if this it suit SLs, okay, you can use SL. Better you keep your stop loss here. If it should be a very small, if not, go for you reduce your lot size. You remember this. Recently I was seeing in so usually I don't see in that case, but sometimes we can see those. I'll show you here. Because in crypto I'm seeing it's making same thing as like this, but in what we trade in forex and other pairs, we won't see in that such case. So you can see here. So this I am seeing many times in crypto, especially like I saw in many pairs. I don't know, like maybe somewhere here it's taking support or what, but morning whenever you see in this case, you just like mark this zone, and whenever you see any rejection from here, just go for long positions in uptrend. Or obviously if you are in downtrend, go for a short. It will be in above somewhere here. Okay, one second, I'll come to again this pair. I choose this because you can see it's like very trending market. Like last week was very boring, so obviously whenever you will see this completely week will be in range, the next week it will be the volatile. Same thing, when it will be in volatile, next week it will be in sideways. This is I'm talking about weekly. So in daily also, if you are seeing, if Monday market is moving in this way, Tuesday will be the sideways, again Wednesday it will be in range. So same thing in weekly or monthly also. So in weekly, what happened last week? It was completely in range, correct? It wasn't completely in range. You can see this, but this week it was like crazy. Same thing in our, which I trade in gold. It was same thing. It was last week. It was in sideways. Means not this bad. At least it was traveling till like uptrend, right? It was traveling till R1. So market was in this way every day. That whole week it was in this way. So suddenly market closed here next week within 2 days it came here. So rest 3 days we didn't get any good trade for me, seriously, because even I was also busy, but I didn't understand properly what to do here. I was waiting here. See, this was last week, it was range, but suddenly it gave TP and market closed somewhere here. So next week you can see it started falling and it complete all TP almost 90%. So whenever it will give this huge profit. So sorry, when it will give in this massive move in one day or 2 day 2 days, but when on that case next 2 3 days it will be in sideways. So same thing you can see very small candles, right? But this is actually big targets. If you compare in gold, this is actually like 200 250 pips, but it will be confusion in if you come in 5 minutes. It's very confusion there. I'll show you later how it was confused there. Okay, let me show that you'll understand, because I was trading in that only. So you can see, so we are below weekly, right, this week. So market started falling. One day completed everything, second day fall. So it was in range. So Wednesday you can see it was in range, but still it was giving TP. So again I took trade some here. I shared the photo, I took the trade here, and immediately I closed somewhere here. When it's fall, suddenly I got this move. Sorry, I'll make it little big, you can look properly. You can see here I took somewhere here. Last session we was on call here only, so I missed this trade, but I took here. I took somewhere here and I was holding for next day. Suddenly we got that move, and immediately when it was reversing, I just closed my all trades. I was holding some, but you can see this move slowly it came up, like where it started falling same place it came. So I did not take any trade Wednesday. Only this was Thursday. You can see, like Friday. Sorry, this today. You can see market started going, and from R1 it's coming back. So usually what I used to tell always, whenever you will be the trend, if we are in downtrend, the only we have two ways to take the short position: below this, or previous day high, or R1 resistance one. So if market is coming in from here, if market is coming from here, then here it will be very risky to take the trade, because already started the journey. So for my point is, so people still they are confused. See, if market is not going till here, it's coming from here only, then I'll go for trade from here. Market already reached the point and it's coming back, so I would have take here. I now I cannot take here, because if it is not going here, it's coming from here only, then I'll take the trade. Why I did not take trade today? The huge news was there here, events was there. So market will be the in, like, it can go very fast up or down, anything can happen. So I was waiting to now, like, finish the news, then later we'll see. But after this, like, sideways craze, so I did not take any trades, so I left it. Okay, no problem, we'll see Monday. In this happened. So the point is, whenever we'll see this big move, see, sometimes what will happen, market can continue till here. Market, seriously, it can continue till here, but chances are very less. In monthly, if you ask me this, in monthly it can happen only once. second, sir.
Yeah. That's all. I think
Pramod,
Pramod, you're on mute.
Pramod, you're muted. Someone else is playing with your computer.
Yeah, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. Can I ask you something? Because
Yeah, please go ahead.
the other day we had a few, between you and Seth, you were saying certain things. Can you show us a few? When we look at the weekly and the daily and the monthly, can you show us a couple of setups that are good for, a clear setup? If we are patient and we can wait, good setup for a long and a good setup for a short on the time frame that you work on. You look at the monthly, you look at the weekly, and then you go at the 5 minute or 3 minute and go into a trade. If you could show us the lines, where is a good area, that would be fantastic.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
So this was trending. So I'll clear one thing. So from coming week, next week, sir, I'll choose very I know which pair can move this week. I'll choose that. I'll post only that chart. I don't get confused. Seriously, if I like 1 second, which that I forgot 1 second, sir. So like you just assume, sir, this if I would have take this, I okay. You just assume, sir, if I focused only this chart, we was getting so good profit in this. So what we are doing, even me, including me, every day we are searching new pair. You understood my point, sir? Every day we are searching new pair to trade. That is not way to, yeah, that is the completely wrong way to trade, sir. Because yesterday I gave like BNB USDT. Today I'm searching other pair. So I literally forgot yesterday what happened in market. Because in that only we have to search, keep on searching. No, we get very good trade. So if you ask my my trading style, trust me, sir, I trade only in one pair from last 4 years, not almost 5 years. I'm very, I'm very clear. I know I want to trade only in this. If you ask me anything about gold, which is the key, which is the strongest support, each and everything I know. Because from last 4 years, I'm trading only in this. The problem what will happen if you,
Cooking omelette.
I'm talking about myself, sir. Okay, don't take any personal. I'm talking about myself. So last 10-15 days, I'm looking the charts crypto. So I'm getting confused. So I don't want to post everyday different charts because only one chart is enough to make money. Sir, you just assume. I know gold. Okay, market closed somewhere 2320. So tomorrow, if I get near 2300, I'll go for long position because I am very clear that I know what's going to happen. I'm very clear that morning. Trust me, sir. I got up early and I took I took this trade. I took this trade. See, so massive. I got profit. I didn't take from here. I didn't take from here, but somewhere here. Here, I start. I was taking short 2-3 trades. I immediately I got this trade. When I saw the profit, so this falling, suddenly I took all profit because we already came very weekly. We got very good profit. Immediately I closed position. I done. So I'll do that. I'll next week. No, I'll choose one very good coin. Let's focus only on that. So even you will be happy taking the trade, I will be more happy. You will get more confidence because the reason yesterday you took trade in same pair, maybe day before yesterday. So so even me or you, we don't look other pairs. When we won't get any trade, then we should look, sir. When we'll get good trades in same pair, we should not think about other coins. So I'll show you one more thing. This I wanted to show you. So whenever before closing the market, so after market, assume after market closed here, you have to see just any high low are there. See, we got same day two rejection at same point. Like first this was rejection, second. So next day it can work like a resistance and support for next day. So I just like I'll take one rectangle, I'll use that. But you can see it giving respect. And this is the major for divergence. Whenever we'll get in this way, we'll get definitely we'll get divergence. So, but we are in short, we are below the weekly. I don't take any long positions. I look only short positions. I was keep on trying for short. But ultimately our goal is we have to take our trade from PDH or R1. This is our main area to take the short in downtrend. And you can see so accurately. So morning it came from here, right? See evening it went here. I missed this trade. I didn't take any trade here, but late night I took here because it was respecting this line. So I thought, let me try what will happen. We'll keep stop loss here only small, but it gave. And when it came back near a trend line, so I was confirmed, and I was like thinking morning maybe I can take stop loss. I thought morning again it will go and again it will come from here. But luckily I saw this. It exactly it touched the center pivot point and it came. This please everyone try to like mark those zones. Whenever you see one like 2 3 touch like it was like it working like resistance or support, you just mark that zone. For next day, definitely it will work as a resistance or support.
See, we're getting confused with, we get these easy algo setups,
Okay.
we have this information coming every day, things that are in positions. We keep jumping from one coin to the other. So your idea of just doing one pair and getting used to that is a good.
Correct, sir. For you, for like in crypto, sir, you have too many options to trade, right? Like more than I know, like 300, 400 points maybe. You have huge. In Forex, what
2 million.
we have like, yeah, in Forex, what will happen? We have 200, 300, but we'll get good profit only in few pairs like gold, oil, US oil, UK oil, silver, and US 30, some 4 5 Germany 30. Only 4 5 we have, we'll get very good move. But 90% traders in the world they'll trade in gold in forex. They don't go any other pairs. So in crypto, we have to see which is the best pair, and we need best move every not even every day, like weekly at least 3 days. We need very good move. We have to focus only in one chart. Then I'll be very clear. You will be more clear. You know next move. Okay, this is happening. We'll look short every day or long every day. We can. You understood my point, right, sir? Every day, if I search new chart, see before I post the chart. No, at least 15 20 minutes I'll see.
Hey, Pramod, could I
Yeah.
ask you something?
Please.
I just have this indicator now since 2 3 weeks, and before I was trading forex, so you never talk about forex trading. Do you have experience in forex market with this with easy algo?
Yes, me and Sid sir was like was like friends from before.
Mhm.
So when he gave me this indicator to backtest and you trade in live market, so I started the trading, sir. And this is pivot points. And you even if you go and Google it, you will know how to calculate this. It's very easy to plot this.
Mhm.
Just weekly high, weekly low, and closing divided by 3. You will get the answer, this answer, and this is your pivot point. So I'm using from many days this. So I there is only two rules to take the trade. There is no like we don't need anything other else. You just focus what I'll tell. Definitely you will make profit, sir, and you will make profit. I'll show you the trades, real trades. And forex, what you have asked me. So from before only I am using this like pivot points. Pivot points. The problem with pivot points, there will be the only one line. Here we are getting three. And what indication is this? This like see if these two are wide, the market will be in sideways. No, not sideways, like not like great move. When it will be this both when it will be squeezed like narrow, it will be trending day. Sometimes what will happen? This will be the wide, and this will be the and this S1 R1 previously high low. It will be narrow. On that day also it will be the trending day. So for that reason, I really like this. Okay, I understood. In this way we have to trade. Why I follow Trendex like in my way? I'm very clear that I know how to trade. See, if you mix with this in SMC, you'll get very good profit, like very good accuracy. If you know the high low, which is the high low, if you understand this, then you can make more profit. Just basics we need. If you don't understand, no problem. But if you know about SMC, then it will be great for you. I'll show you one thing, sir. 1 second. Simple, sir. You said you are using like 3-4 weeks, right, sir? Yeah, you told that you are using from 3-4 weeks. See, here is we have very simple rule that if we are above this weekly, every day we should look only long positions. Sometimes what will happen? Market will start from here, it will come down. Oh, I'll change the color. So market will go here again, come down, and it will start ranging. So then you should wait for breakout. Which breakout? This candle should close. One candle should close below this 1 hour. 1 hour candle, right? So if in this case, if it's moving in this way, it will not like it will not be like every week. Sometimes it will make you confused. So there is no 100%. You everyone know that. But when you will get in that, see in this I'll tell you. In this case, if market suddenly like started falling, don't get panic and don't take immediately short. No problem. If you're not getting trade, no problem. Wait for next day. Next day definitely you will get. Assume this is Wednesday. What is this Wednesday? If market started following like red candles, no problem. You don't jump immediately. It can reverse. But when you will get very clear for next day. Next day when you will get up, you will see market close somewhere here. Okay, next day. On that day, particular day, you start looking short because we are below the weekly. Simple.
Was
Okay,
making the
and
mistake
in
of
that way,
taking
yeah.
pumps.
No problem. If you come in 5 minutes, same thing you see, I'll show you. I really, we miss this. If I see this super narrow, then definitely I was looking every day only this pair. No confusion, nothing. Here we are very like, if I see chart, we got very good trades here. Like this was a Monday, right? Correct. Monday. It started from, see, unbelievable, sir. Seriously. I gave trade in this. You can see I marked here and I gave trade. If I see in the Discord, I gave trade on this. I told look only long positions. That's it. I gave this trade and I forgot. So suddenly what happened? Next day I started searching another pair. If I focused only in this, you would have get good profit. And I told many times, sir. I told many times we should hold for a swing. This is the reason. See, if someone holding like here, if you can see, who knows, it can continue for next week also from here. Okay, this is daily pivot. You can see this Monday, right? Monday here. See, sir, like we should take long position above the daily because we are above the weekly. And here we can see so many made lows here before closing market also it made, then it can work as a support. If you're not taking trade here, no problem, but above this you have to take the trade and you have to keep your stop loss below this. If your stop loss again it's taking, if market hunt your stop loss, okay, if wait for next trade. If you get any good confirmation like big bullish engulfing, again you take the trade, keep your stop loss, but because your stop loss is very small, but that trade it can give very big move because we are weekly is very super narrow. It can make you confused, but when it start going it can go very crazy. And it made like it was like full day after reaching here it was in range. Okay, let it go for next day. You can see it. If we didn't take here no problem, we should take above the daily, right? You take, you no problem, you take from anywhere. If, okay, you are taking from here, your stop loss got hit, again it came back. So now you got stop loss where to keep. Before candles come here, we don't know where to keep the stop loss. Correct. Even I'll take the stop loss. But second time when it came back to same area, so I got the place to keep the stop loss below this candle. So then you take to keep stop loss below this and hold now. We have to hold, sir. We have to hold. And our golden like rule, what is there? Whenever you will get good profit, close your half profit and keep break even. And it started going. See what we are seeing coming back and all. See, this all is like two who all they took long from here. Definitely market will come back and they'll take all break evens and it will start going. Again, if we have to take new trades. We have to wait for confirmation and we have to take the trades. Simple. If you see the candles, you'll understand. I don't leave one trade when it comes to me. I don't leave if I get break even, definitely I'll wait for next trade. And this, trust me, this is the morning star. This candle is the morning star. This is bullish engulfing. This bullish engulfing and Morobozo candle. This only 4 candles are there. The 4 candles we'll see multiple times in the market. I'll show you. This is the confirmation. Definitely, if I get this, I'll take the trade. I'll keep my stop loss. I see here. I'll tell you when we got one higher low. Okay, if it breaks, then it can go down. So we can see here clearly. Whenever we'll get breakout, we'll get new low. That is the rule. You can see this is the low. Whenever you will get breakout, this is the low. So definitely I'll try, but this time I'll keep my stop loss very small because my entry is going very like it's going very big. Like I cannot take my entry from here and this will stop loss will be very big. But definitely I'll keep below this pivot because center is very important. This
Don't want
this
to for you.
This is actually pivot point. This what we are seeing. This is the pivot point. So below this, I'll keep. If I want to take it, definitely I'll try, because I know we are narrow in weekly. Whenever it can like pump, and it start going on Tuesday. So Wednesday, obviously market will be sideways, because whenever we'll get this big move, next day it will be the sideways or ranging market. So like this, what was in ranging market, correct? It was in ranging market. Our rule, what is our rule? Next day market, whenever you will get near previous day low near S1, we should take the trade. From exact point it started going. You can see from here only market started. This trade can give you next day R1. I'll show you in my trades. It will give you next day R1, which is the next day R1. This I was showing last week. See, assume this is daily what I'm doing drawing here. Okay, this like this pivot. Okay, Monday started from here. Okay, somewhere here. Tuesday again we got bull. So Wednesday we got it came back. So it will come near S1. Again start going next day R1. It will go next day R1. This is the only market is making. What we are seeing in Google, that is very clear picture. In real market, that is not high low. How we'll see real like in Google? In this way they'll show you. In real market is this is the high low. This there are a lot of difference. Please this always remember, in short position, if you are looking downtrend short, we have only two options to take the trade. Either S1, this is the one zone. Okay, this is the zone. We have only two options. Either we have to look short from S1 or previous day high. If market is not reaching there directly, it's coming below the trend X, go for short. If it's not going here, without going there, if it's coming back X and crossing, immediately jump in the trade. 10, 15, 20 minutes, it can play there, but it will shoot up immediately. And this is and market, in market which I am seeing, it's same thing happening every single day. I'll show you in my trade. See, this is the trade I took, and I shared my profit also. See, we are in downtrend, correct? We are in downtrend, and in downtrend, where should we look the trade? Near R1 or previous day high. Which is our target? Next day S1. This is S1. See, this move I got. This is huge. Trust me, this is huge. If I take very small 0.10 lot, I'll get $300. Same thing what I'm showing here, just in reverse. Same thing. You are in uptrend. You should look long near PDL or S1. There is no confirmation near PDL. See, how can we take here? We didn't get any confirmation. We have to wait. We got this big move. If you see this rejection, immediately go for trade from here only. Keep stop loss below this candle. If next candles come back again, if you take stop loss, then wait. Then it will make something here. If you get any good confirmation, like I'll show some 3-4 candles are there. That's it. Immediately take the shot, and you got a sell beautiful like candles. Below that, you keep your stop loss and leave for next day R1. This all what I am telling, it should be near nearby X, weekly X. It not should be like here, somewhere here, because this market already reached everything, then we cannot expect still big move. So this happened. This like assume this is like Monday, Tuesday. Huh? Okay, done. You can do that. Simple, sir. When you will see this kind of trades, if you assume you took the trade and it started, luckily it started going, you close your half, you take 50% profit and rest you keep break even and hold for next day R1. It will go, sir. It will go. It will take time, but it will reach end of the evening. If it's not going, it went morning again, it came back, break even hit, no problem, sir. You take break evens. If you start taking break evens, you will get very soon. You will see the good profits. The because why I will be always use this to keep hold when you are, assume if you are holding trade, you don't next day you will be very happy. You don't look any new trades because you are already in trade. You are in good profit. Okay, this please always remember. You come next day. Always I used to tell market wherever it goes, next day it will come near X and again it will start going up. This is your first TP, previous day high. If market started from here only and immediately it will go, you have to take immediately long from here only. Keep stop loss below that if it's not coming here. Because sometimes it will not come, sometimes it will start from here only. Immediately you take long position, keep stop loss below candles where it started. Keep here. Let's try. This all what I'm telling. I did this and I'm keep doing this every day. So the confident have that I know what to tell here. And this all what I'm showing you here, I saw in real market, sir. And I'm seeing in real market every week. I'll be seeing all this. And here is the proof. Not only this, I'll show you in gold. Accuracy like exact. You can see exact touch and go. It came here. It start going. None. It start going, and you can beautifully see. And if you don't know the price action, please, newcomers, you remember, whenever market will be in this condition, whenever it will break some resistance, definitely it will come back for retest. Again, it will go new high. Same thing it did, and it keep on. It will be doing. This was the support when market was taking support. So suddenly it became resistance. It start taking resistance from up. When it break again became resistance support. Before going bull run, it will retest and it will go. And it did that. And it did that.
Pramod,
Yeah.
just for the audience, I constantly drop them in the chats, guys. In the manual for Trendex under the high win rate trade setups, these images are almost identical to what Seth has created for those slides and in that manual. So if you're ever unsure of what position or where your entry should be, not sure his mic's going here. If you're not sure if like what it matches, go into the manual section in the Discord and take a look at the high win rate setups. They match these almost to a T. So they're there every time. I just it's impressive. Under the weekly, above the daily. Here's what you do. Under the it just it's drawn out. It's right there. Keep it as a cheat sheet. If you look in the pinned inside of the traders chat as well, the first pin, Crypto Crisp created a strategy X cheat sheet for you, which again shows those exact same trade setups that Pramod is showing you right here. It's in writing. It's drawn. You shouldn't have any confusion. because there's arrows, they're pointed to it, the lines are there, the pivots are there, and it looks exactly like this chart right here.
Is that in the method checklist or the manual? There is.
In the manual.
And what's the method checklist?
The method checklist
Yeah.
is the method checklist, I believe, is to find your confluence.
You use manual.
Somebody's in the wind there. Who's we got?
It was you.
No, it's not me.
You're sailing, bro.
No, I'm mute, and it was still there. But yes, so everything Pramod is showing you is in. I don't know if Pramod, if you can pull up the Discord to just show them. It's literally in the manual section in the Discord.
I've got a high win rate trade setup. The blue
Correct.
pictures. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pictures. Nice ones.
Correct. And if you look at any of those, say under the weekly and above the daily, just like Pramod mentioned, when and where to take the trades, they hit those lines the same way as he's showing you right now.
Cheers, mate. Thanks.
And it shows you exactly where to enter. And they're just a manage of remembering. What it doesn't show you in this section is to where to put the stops. So it's key to remember what Pramod's sharing with you, where to put the stop under that candle or underneath the pivot itself. Sorry, Pramod, I just wanted to share that because going forward, they need somewhere to instantly find the resource, right? Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll continue, sir. Now. So same thing, sir. What sir was saying, like without candles, what they showed, like they mentioned some picture. We have to trade in this way. Exactly, it will happen in same way. And for beginners, you still like if you're like confused, should I take the trade or know what to do? Just use MACD. See, this is not recommended by any but I personally, for beginners, I am suggesting this. You just try this. If you want to try, if you know this about this, if you don't know, just go and search YouTube how to use this. There are many ways to trade in this. Like some people they use in wrong way. They think this is like crossover. So they think this is the crossover. So how to find out this is a fake crossover? This what we are seeing. See, what is ultimate?
Does the TDIX work the same way? Because they all have the TDI, they all have the TDIX. Would you be able to show the example using the TDIX instead of the MACD?
Correct. They have TDI, yes. So ultimately, what is our point, sir? And we even that we cannot take any short position from here. We know that we are very clear that we can see these supports. What we are looking long position. When we have to take long position, we need confirmation, candle confirmation. So candle, if you understand candle, then you use this, you will get very good clear. You will understand. So you can try this. So what I see in this, whenever I'll get crossover here, if I get candle confirmation, like obviously first I'll get confirmation in candle. If I take trade this, when it come back again, we'll get again crossover here for downside. So when I'll get this confirmation again for long position, I'll get more confirmation that market will go up now. Because you can see this. It's making in this way. So it can go up. You can try this with TrendX. For like before taking trade, you want to just second confirmation, you use this. You can try this definitely. Don't go for reverse trade. If you are seeing reverse in this, don't go for short. Always look long, because short it will be in a small small trade. When you go for long, it will be bull run because we are in uptrend. Obviously, we have to look only long for good profits. Okay, sir, this I'll remove. And you come today, same thing. We have to look long positions from pure point, and maybe early morning for you, even for me. If you are missing this trade, and if you are missing this trade, then you should wait till here if it's coming. So what I told you before closing the market, if you want to, you should look where is recently any it made support or resistance. We have to look that before closing the market. So if you didn't get any support resistance, see we have here before going, like when it went upside, it made one low here. So whenever it come back here, if you are getting confirmation, you can take the trade. This is the price action, right? This is called price action. So you have to mark this candle. This candle. How to mark? Wick to body. Mark that, and you will get. So we got this, and this is the bullish engulfing. Literally, this is, you can see last two candles it close above. You have to try it if you want to take profit. Because if see, even me, I'll wait here to come. Definitely I'll wait. But if you see this big candle, then I'll try at least small stop loss. If it's not coming, then what to do? Because before this it made one low here. You can see you can try here in this case. So for that reason I'm showing all the support resistance. If I can tell you that no, you should wait till here. If it is not coming, then you cannot take trade. No, we are obviously we have to move on. Right? We have to learn at least basic price action. If it is not, if we don't have any low here, then we have to wait till here. But we have one low here. So if any confirmation here, we can go for long. The point is, we are above the weekly, and every day we should look the long, and this is the result. You can see this is the results. If market is coming down, we should not look any short position. So what I learned, my mentor what teach me, he told me this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, Thursday it will be red, again Friday. There will be no like 5 candles green, you won't get every time. One day it will be the red candle. The red candle was this in Delhi. What I learned, see, market has to come down to go long, correct? If market is coming down, then we should be happy that we are getting good trade for next day. If market is coming down, no problem. Wait. Then when you will cook this trade, immediately you take the long position, and your target will be the next day R1, and it will hit. And I'll show you I'll show you the candle how I look. There are only 3-4 candles. That's it. We have many candles, but I choose these candles. These candles are best in market. So we can see many times in 5 minutes. This what I'm showing you. This is for entry in 5 minutes. Daily pivot. Okay. So this is bullish engulfing. You can see. Okay. This is bullish engulfing for long confirmation. See market, if we are looking long position, if it's coming near trend X or support near S1 anywhere, if we are looking long position, if you see any candle in this way, like previous candle crossed and closed big green candle, immediately we have to take long position. This has to be near support. Remember, support or a trend X. You can see it will be in this way. I'll show you in real market. Okay, this is the candle. It will be like red candle. Immediately you will get green candle. That is bullish engulfing. Go immediately take long position. Keep below support. You keep your stop loss, and you know the our targets. This candle is very important. Bullish engulfing, and this is the morning star. I keep always I'll be looking this candle. We'll get many times. It's very simple candle. It will be red candle and small doji and green candle. This is morning star. This we call U. This is morning star. And your entry immediately you take entry. Keep stop loss below this zone. Sorry, below this zone. When this setup fail, when market candle close below this with red candle, then this setup failed. If you see only wick and it's closing again upside, then it means it's still valid. This way you can see. It will be in this way.
Sorry, Pramod, can I ask a question?
Yeah, please, ma'am.
I watched the previous lesson about the candlesticks, and
Okay.
I had the same question. You said that when you see a morning star and the next candle is engulfing, you can
Okay.
take a trade. But if it goes below the engulfing, and it's a close body, not the wick, that is a failure.
Exactly, correct.
I said. So if it closes by wick but not body, I can continue with the trade.
Yes. That is,
Thank you.
yeah, no problem. That is is still valid. The candle is still valid. That morning star is still valid. If only we see the wick, not body, it means we are still in valid. We can take, if stop loss it, we can go for another trade immediately.
I understand now. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Yeah, my pleasure, ma'am. This is, you can see, sir. You can see everyone. This morning star. Whenever you see the bull run, it will be the morning star. See, before going market up or down, it will give you indication here. That we have to find out. Whatever I'm telling here, it should be near support and resistance, not in like somewhere like here, confirmation. No, it has to be nearby support and resistance. Then only it will be valid.
Oh, I see. So when you say confirmation, by confirmation, it means that the candles have to be either near support or they have to be near resistance to realize
Correct.
it's reversing.
Correct, ma'am. Correct.
Oh, I understand. Thank you.
So this you can see, this candle is what you small candle seeing. This is the hammer. This candle will take you the up, and this is inverted hammer. After this, market will come down, but it not mean that we are seeing this candle and we are going for short. It has to be near. Then only it will be accuracy. This is hammer. You can see this is hammer. I'll show you. We have only 4 candles. You start focusing on that, you'll get very good trades. Okay, this morning star. This is the hammer. Now, just now I was showing you, right? This is the hammer. It can be red or green. Doesn't matter. Anything, no problem. Red or green. Again, this it should be near support. Definitely. And when you see this candle, just go for a long position. Keep your. They mentioned this. They mentioned. You can see. You can go for long and keep your stop loss. See, Trendex, the beauty of Trendex, what is like, we can see support resistance very beautifully. This is not repent, right? And we have stop loss very, we'll get stop loss very small. We have very good thing on that. Like Okay, stop loss is very small and we can keep, because see, assume that you are taking trade here, you are taking trade here, you know where to keep the stop loss. If there is no trend X, it will be very difficult to keep the stop loss, and we don't know that market will go from here or no. But at least if you use this, you will get some confidence that yes, we have something here called X, and we can take the trade, and we are uptrend. I mean, we are above the weekly, and we have to take only long positions. One second, I think. One second, I'm missing my internet. I think I just moment. Oh, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir. I just it disconnected my internet. One second.
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, and Amir, just so you know, you had asked earlier. You know, you stated that as he was putting the daily insights, they were a bit confusing. It's been in progress for about a week or so since we Seth and I thought to create the team trading insights. There's going to be a change on the insights where it will be like a thread. So on Sunday, when Pramod chooses, say, B and B, he's going to put detailed idea of why he chose B and B and what he's going to look for confluences through the week. And as he's monitoring it every day, it'll stay in that thread for just that one token. So it'll be very clear and organized, and every week he'll have another one, and then
Well,
Seth
this
may have
analytical
one.
feed is just fucked.
As new traders or as new trainers come in, they'll also be able to do that, and this way you'll be able to clearly follow the token and how the trainer handled it from the day that they chose it to the end of the week. So it'll be very clear.
Thanks.
yeah. Thank you. And last session, somebody asked me about this, right? This they was asking. Same thing. What I said few minutes ago. I told them to wait, sir. Let it close below this. Next day, you look short position. Next day, when market opened, it gave very good trade. I'll show you. So somebody asked me this, so I wanted to show. Oh, yes, this. Yeah, this. I told them for next day you look short position. Market was coming. I told no problem. Market came already like more
There's one
downside.
outside bomb doorway.
I told them to wait for next day. So whenever you will get
No.
near pivot, go for a
No,
short
different guy.
position. And it came from here. So our first TP was this only, and it came very like easily. We got this. I don't know whether they took or no, but yeah, and so below we are weekly now. We are below the weekly. So we have to look short position now, and we have to look only short. See again here.
Nice.
This is what I was keep telling. See whenever we get one high, so we are looking short position, right? Just mark this. You keep completely. You mark this from here to here. So now you will be very clear that this is
nice. In.
somebody's. I'll
Yeah. Oh, okay, he jumped out the window.
yeah. So you do this, sir. Okay. You start marking this. So you'll get idea. Okay, whenever like next after 1 hour, if I get any confirmation here in this zone, I'll go for short. You start doing this because in crypto I'm seeing we are like from last 15 days what I'm seeing, it's giving fake breakouts. So you mark this. Okay, don't go for any long when we are below the weekly. You look only short position until you don't reach your targets. You keep on taking short positions. It will make you irritated, like it will make you the feeling like sad, like oh my god, market is not moving. But when you'll get up from trade, market will move at that time. You'll miss the trade. You have you need very good patience, seriously. See, if market is going up, wait. Ultimately, we have to take short from here. We know that. Our first TP will be this. If market is good, then again it will continue same day. So if it's coming back from here only, you have to take. See, if you're taking trade, if you see this morning, you'll take the trade here, correct? You'll take the trade here. You'll keep stop loss. Stop loss got hit. Again, it came back. So now you got, okay, I can keep my stop loss now above this. Because why I am telling this, we have narrow X. We should sit in front of the computer on that day because we know that we can get very good move on that day. And finally, you should look only short because we are below the weekly. And what I told you, before closing the market, you have to see any support resistance made in like in daily, I said, right? Same apply to weekly. This I was showing in 5 minutes, right? Now it applied to weekly. So you can see here, market was in this range and suddenly it break here. So don't get panic, don't take immediately short position, nothing will happen. Wait for the day, next day. The next day, you will get very good trade. Not only for next day, coming days. Assume this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have very good trading next for, you will get very good trades for next days. And you know your target is this for weekly. So tomorrow, if you are looking any trade, you try in this tomorrow. This. Again, it can go short. How to find out the trade? Market will if close somewhere here. Okay, assume market close somewhere here. Market again it will go this zone and it come back from here. And your X can trend X will be plot somewhere here. It will start going from here, again it will fall. If it's coming down, then you have to look in 1 hour, where is the S1 previous day low, and this is your targets. That's it. Okay, we'll come back to this. So this is the hammer. Let it be any color, red or green, doesn't matter. It has to be near support only. Support or trend X. Nearby 10, 15 pips, 20 pips, okay, you can go for a trade. Don't miss that trade. This is dragon doji. Sometimes what will happen, you'll get big red candle. Okay, if I'm telling in uptrend, you'll get big red candle. Immediately that candle turns into this doji. And there is confirmation that next candle fly. For that reason, they mentioned dragon fly doji. You'll get many in big time frames. Somewhere here you can see this. Usually you'll see in big time frames, 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minutes. In that time frame, we can see this types of candle.
If it's red, is it a short? Is it going down or doesn't matter?
No, see in direction we have to take, sir. If you are looking wrong positions, then we have to see these candles. What I am showing now: bullish engulfing, morning star, hammer, and dragonfly doji.
No, the dragonfly doji If
Yes.
it's red and green and it's on an upward trend, it's not a problem.
No. Anything fine. You can see they mentioned both red or green. Same apply to hammer candle also. If you are seeing red candle, no problem. This you can see both. Any color, sir. Only 4 candles are there. That's it for long positions. This is the last candle. Done. Only 4 candles. Same. You come in for a short position. Bearish engulfing. Same thing. What we saw in bullish. It has to be bigger than big candle before what we are seeing. 1 second. I'll show you the exact 1 second. You'll see. You can see here. It's almost like 1.5 candle, right? 1.5 size and weight. It started from above this candle and closed below this candle. This is bearish engulfing here. This. You can see it's very big candle if you compare the body. So if this has to be near R1 or previous day low, sorry, previous day high. And again, evening star. So he was looking morning star now for a long position, now for short position. It will be like bullish candle. Suddenly you will get one support, sorry, resistance here or here. If you see this candle, immediately go for short, and you will get the good trade. And shooting star doji candle. See, now I was telling this candle, this hammer, right? If it is in like near, if you get same candle near resistance, this is inverted hammer. So some people will call that inverted hammer. Some people will tell the shooting star candle. So don't get confused in that, okay? Shooting star candle, inverted hammer, it's little bit like same thing. There is no difference. You can see this shooting star. If wick come small, if you see wick, that is inverted hammer. That's it. It look same for both. It looks same. So you can consider this as a shooting star, either inverted hammer. You know, right? See, if you see one in this way with big wick and small wick, so you don't think that is like, okay, this is not shooting star, I cannot take look for short. You can take, this is inverted hammer again. This is also reversal sign. If there is no wick, that is shooting star. If small wick, that is inverted hammer. Both are same, and let it be green or red, doesn't matter. And gravestone doji, same thing. What we saw that dragonfly, opposite to that. Market will be like very green candle. It start like, where this candle will see in real market. Assume this is support. Okay, market will cross. Sorry, I'm really sorry. This is resistance. Market will cross the resistance and immediately come back and close below this resistance. Go for immediately short. It will go down. I saw in market yesterday and I took in gold. I'll show you. I saw this, what I'm showing now. Yesterday I saw this here. See what happened here. So I'll just switch off this. So market was made one resistance here. You can see market was coming back from this zone. So actually I marked this zone. So okay, I marked this and delete this. So I was seeing this. When I saw this green candle, before red candle, it was green candle. So when immediately it came back and closed here, right? Closed here. When it came reverse, I took my short position. Immediately, I took the short position. I was knowing because this was like liquidity grab, whatever you can tell that. Immediately, I took short position. Again, I got this move. So next time, what happened when it started going up? It didn't close below this. It closed above the zone. So I didn't take any short position. I said, no, this candle is very big candle, so I cannot take any short position. I didn't do anything there. This we can see many like,
Not the only one.
yeah, you can like in 5 minutes you can see many times these candles.
It's just
Always remember this can, especially this candle, it will cross resistance first. Okay, you don't think that this is resistance. It will happen till here only. Sometimes what will happen? It will cross resistance. Immediately it will come back and it will close below this in this way. So immediately go for a short and keep your stop loss above that candle because your resistance will be somewhere here. This was fake breakout. We can try for a short position here. Only these candles are very important in market. What I showed you now, that those candles are very, very important, and in real market you will be seeing many times.
Hey, hi Pramod. Can I ask you a question, please?
Yes, please.
Can you go on to the Dogecoin, which you are showing now?
1 second, sir.
And you have marked the supply and demand over here.
Yes, this right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you please zoom? Yeah. So suppose the candle at your marked position, the first one towards left, top right, top, yeah. So you are going to take the trade in that?
No. No. I don't take trade here.
We can't consider that as an evening star also, right?
Yes, correct. Because we are above the X, right?
Okay.
So when, I understood your question. So what will happen when it cross this? No, what I will be thinking. Okay, market is going here. No problem. I look short from here. Here.
Okay.
I look here. But when it start ranging, we'll come to know that market it's going to be in range today. But whenever I get my short put, see, after coming back here, so now we got confirmed that this is today's resistance. So whenever it come near this zone, any candle confirmation will go for a long position, a short position.
Yeah, we got a bearish engulfing the next one here.
Correct, here.
Yeah, got it.
Yes. Immediately you can take the trade, you keep stop loss. If it's coming back immediately, like you don't close your positions. Please, you never do that mistake. Close only 50% hold because it's coming back. Which I can understand it's coming back every time. But if it's not coming, it's going from here only, then you will miss this opportunity. Again, you cannot take any you cannot take any trade here.
So we have to close 50% in the center, or how is it? Or we should hold the whole?
No, I'll tell you. See, you asked me here what we have to do, right? So when it made high and low, right? And this will be the 50% zone for it. Because you already made one high low. That is the problem here.
Correct.
If this is not the low, then we doesn't know where to till where market will go. When we'll get high low, that you'll get confirmation. Okay, this I got trade here. I'll close my 50% here and I'll keep break even. If break even hit, seriously, that is our bad luck. Because,
thank you, Pramod.
Yeah. And this is evening star. You can see, sir. This is evening star. We got confirmation here.
Okay.
This is evening star. Yeah. This is like this. Both candle are evening star. And evening star, how to take whenever you get evening star, next candle or next after 2-3 candle, it can come to retest this candle once again. It will touch and it will come back. And we got here evening star. Why we are looking short? We are below the weekly. and you can see this is bullish hammer, and you see the many candles in this way. See, this is bearish engulfing. We cannot take the trade here because in bearish engulfing we are seeing near support. There is no point. Correct? This is bear engulfing. This is bearish engulfing. We cannot take any short position here because we already rally started from here only. So don't like take short from here. Don't get trapped. I'm seeing crypto how the behavior. No, I'm seeing that like sometimes it will manipulate you. You be very sharp. And for beginners like who are new into the market, if you are taking profit here or somewhere here, so just close it. Don't take any new trades again. First you like try to learn completely about X, then you start taking the more trades. But when you are taking good like see profit is good or like small big profit or that doesn't matter. If you're taking something here from something here, again don't try taking one more because you can maybe make again loss. So if you're getting this profit, just close the laptop and leave it for next day because you're trying like something you're trying to do, right? Okay, if you get the trade, then just close and leave it for that day. You remember this candlestick, sir? This is very, very important. Only 4 candles. There are many candles in market, but where like I am seeing most of in pairs, those candles only repeated. I am seeing those candles every time. I'll be seeing same candles. See, in this case, I'll show you. In this case, what can I do? What you can do in this case? See, we got morning star here near support. We have to take long position. Again it came back same position. Again we got bullish engulfing. Every time this is morning star. We doesn't know, right, when it will go up. Confirmation is giving every time that I'm going up now, but suddenly it's coming back to same and it's taking your break even. So finally it went. In this way we have to. That is the reason I will be telling focus only some coins. So every day you will be knowing, okay, today market close here. If market comes near R1 or if it cross X, I'll go for short. You have very good, very clear picture that you know what to do for next day. And whatever, whenever it will come near support resist, like support near support or resistance, no. First thing you have to wait. What candle we can see the next? What candle can be? We should wait. If you are seeing any confirmation with the 4 candles, go for long position or short, whatever the trend is. You can see here. This is evening star, and it came down. I don't know this trend, but I'm telling before coming down, it will give you the signal that it's going down. You'll get many signals if you start searching. No, you will get many ideas that okay, this candle, okay, it can go from here. Okay. In that way, you start searching candles. You will understand what can be happen next. So once again, I'll repeat. Don't say this is for beginners. If you understand price action, then it's up to you. You know divergence. You know the smart money. If you know the basic smart money, you know how to take reversal trades. You can try that. But if you are blindly want to follow the trend edge, then you have rules and you have to follow the rules, which I understood in Trendex. I'm teaching only that, and what all I made mistakes, no? I know what you going to be the doing that mistake. So what I was doing, so when it's going up, like I'll show in 5 minutes. Seriously, I did this mistake. So later I learned that all that. So like if I'm not taking trade from, assume that I'm not taking trade from here, I was like taking the trade below this. And I was keeping my stop loss anywhere, like somewhere here or here. And I was like so aggressive that I need profit till here. And after few, like 1 hour, I was seeing that stop loss hit. The reason, if market started from here, I cannot take my trade from here, right? What I was thinking, okay, like R1 is, if assume market is here, okay, R1 is here, market can go till here, at least I'll get this much profit. So immediately I was taking entry. And where should I keep my stop loss? If I'm taking my entry here and I was keeping my stop loss here. Market from here it went, okay, if it's not going, then it's coming back. So big stop loss I was taking. So that like I learned many things. I came to know what all we have to see before taking the trades. So then I learned, and the most thing like I come to know this, that if we are below the weekly, we look only short position. I'm not talking about monthly pivot here. This is for beginners, like intraday. If you want to take every day, you are looking trades, then you have to follow these rules. If you are simple, we have only two rules. Rule number one: if we are below the weekly, every day you should look only short position and daily pivot. That's it. Don't get confused and don't look too many coins. You'll get frustrated. You don't understand because yesterday which coin you were seeing. So assume that Monday you plan to trade in some coin. So that day you didn't get any good trade. So Tuesday what we'll do? We'll start looking at other coin. So Tuesday we was looking other coin and we got some profit and we left that. So when you open the Monday which we saw before, that gave very good trade on Tuesday. So we missed that trade because we shifted to other coin. If you keep on watching the same thing, no, you will understand very easily. So why always I will be showing this chart? Because this chart I am trading in this chart. That's why I love to show this chart. See this trade I took, sir. This trade I took, sir, and I made mistake here. Always I'll be telling you, I made mistake here because what I told what mistake I did. This was in range. I would have made that. So you don't look only one coin. You keep some 3-4 coins. If you have 2-3 screens or 2 screens, you start keep watching on that. You will get very good trades because you have many options. But for me, we don't have options. Like I'll show you one example. You'll understand why I'll trade only in this. See this trade, which I'm showing you this. From here till here, it's 150 pips. If I'm taking 0.10 lot from here, I was getting $150. Okay, $150. If I come to another pair like GPP JPY, okay, same thing. See, if I take my long position from here till here, you know how much I was getting? $30. Same move. We in gold we have very good like like we have very good profit in that because we have very good volatility plus sorry sir, 1 second. So yeah, I'm sorry. So what will happen in other pairs? We don't have that much leverage or whatever, like we don't get good profit in this. The move is same, but distance you can see the distance is same, but only 38 pips. Hardly I'll get $38. But in crypto, you have very good options. Like crypto, everything is same there. If you trade any coin, no, it will be same profit. In forex, we don't have that option. That is the reason I choose this pair. So start doing that, sir. You follow proper way. We have to we have to be very disciplined. Then only market give us the profit. Like sir, see, assume that. So I'll get up morning. If you see in this way, what will understand? If I keep on scrolling in every single pair, so gold, assume this area like BTC. So if you will understand, okay, the next day it can happen in this way. You'll be ready for next day plan. You have very good plan for next day. You know that okay, market is close here. Tomorrow, if I get daily X here, I'll go for short. And you will look okay, R1 is here. Okay, R2 is here. We'll go for short and let's see what will happen. You will be very clear. You try to do that, sir. Choose some 3 to 4 points. That's it. Don't take too many. You try for 1 month. You try for 1 month and you see the result. You will get the result definitely. I will be here only, and you will be the I will be the proof that, and you will tell me that yes, it's working. What you said, it will work definitely. It will work. So you try this. If you are looking only one chart, you will be very clear, and always whenever it will come near uh, X or this place, wait for 5-10 minutes. See which candle is visible there. If you get the confirmation, go for trade. You jump into immediately. You take the trade. Don't look that. Don't ask me in group. I got morning star here. Shall I take the trade? No. If your confirmation, you got confirmation, go for trade. Only small stop loss, right? How many like you can take 1, 2, 3 stop loss in weekly, but you are learning something, right? You will get confident. Okay, I'm taking this trade. Okay, you will get confident that once you will get that, then nobody can stop you. Somebody is raising a hand. I don't know, sir. I'm sorry. You want to ask me something, sir?
Gordon,
hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry,
yes.
I'm on my phone and I didn't want to disturb you, so thank you for calling me. There was a couple of things I've got, but I'm on my phone, so I'll just listen in and I'll watch the recording if there's anything. There was one thing you said about you took a trade, and if you took only 0.1 of a lot, you could have made 300. However, when you showed us that one, what I could see was that there was it hit one of the take profit areas, and normally your rule is to take 50% off, but it appeared that in this particular case you didn't take 50% off, you let it run for the whole profit. Can you sort of explain why that was and what you saw that said it was going to continue?
I'll give answer for that, sir. See, sir, when I came to this group, it took me 10 to 15 days to understand the crypto. So when I understood, okay, crypto in this way, I'm sorry to say this, crypto is very like what I am seeing, it will manipulate many times. I'll show you many charts in crypto. I still wonder that how to trade. I sometimes I get confusion. How to trade in this? How many like? I'll show in weekly. 1 second.
You and me both. We're both confused.
See, this you can see. Doesn't know next move what will happen. This you okay, right? This okay. Weekly is like I'll show you daily. See this like small candles, very small candles. There sometimes it will be done very low volume. So what? Before trust me, before posting any trade in group, I have to see many things. Blindly, I cannot tell that market you take the position here and it will go for long. No, sir, I have responsibility here. I seriously, I will be waiting that when you see the TP, I don't know. You can see any pair in my. I'll show you in forex. Any pair, it will be like crazy move. I'll show you. You can see here. Sorry, I'll do weekly. Okay. See, there is no manipulate here. You know how? If we are above the weekly, it will be the above weekly only. See, in this way.
Yes.
And Friday,
Yes.
yeah, in Friday, what happened? It was big fall and market closure. Only Monday till afternoon, it was in sideways. I wait. Again, it came back to same position. Again, I started looking here. So next week, what happened? It came below the weekly. So we are below the weekly. We are very, we are. It's very clear to trade. So
Yes.
I think there is something like I have to learn still in this. I have to see, okay, like what is actually happening here. Then I maybe I can learn here. Maybe I can be wrong, but so definitely it will take time for me. At least 1 week. I should understand. I should see which is the good pair here. I know you. Everyone knows that every like we have at least one pair that it can give very good move every single day. At least 3 days in week. If we get those kind of like coins, then definitely I look only that and I will be posting same chart every day. And you will understand, okay, this I look only long positions in this what Pramod showed. Let me see what will happen. This is something
Understood.
like it's very nice. You can see, sir. Like we can see here when it came down immediately, and next day when it crossed, definitely from next day we look only long positions and we got this move and it closed above somewhere here again next week we should see only long position immediately it came market close somewhere here we got trend X here and we have to look only short because we are below this and we have to find only short. I think this pair is good what I'm saying this, but rest all like even that's the when I'll be posting, right, sir? So I'll be seeing same thing. Okay, which pair I have to choose today. So recently I this this I gave here this one exactly this. So this I told to look for long positions, right? And it went.
Yeah.
Immediately it came back and it completely market got reversed. You can see market got reversed
Yeah.
here. Yeah. So I have to at least I have to learn this what's happening here, and some coins are
Sure, I get it.
yeah sir.
There is a
I'll
lot more manipulation, I'm sure, than because it's a smaller market compared to, I think, Forex does something like 7 trillion a day. The whole crypto market is only 2.5 trillion. So I
exactly.
get that. Can I ask a follow-up? So I'll leave that one there. Can I ask one more question, which might be useful to others as well?
Please
What
please
I'm
ask.
looking at doing for the ongoing bull, if there is such a thing that happens in the next 6 to 12 months, I'm looking to trade between coins rather than USDT. So could you have a look at, for example, at AR against Bitcoin? Because what I'm thinking of doing is swapping between Arbitrum and Bitcoin as trend X gives us signal. Can you see if these signals over the last sort of 2, 4, 6, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, whatever, have been sort of reliable between coins rather than coin and USDT, please?
Yes, I'll sure. I can check Bitcoin, right, sir? BTC.
BTC versus AR. So you'd have to type in AR USD T slash BTC
One second, sir.
USD
BTC
AR. I think you got
AR.
to start with AR. I think you got to start with AR.
Okay,
AR
AR
USDT
USDT.
and then slash BTC USDT.
Okay.
Slash. You got to put a forward slash. Yep.
Slash
BTC
BTC USDT.
USD. Yeah.
Which I should take
top one. Binance. Binance is fine.
Finance. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So what this is doing is comparing two coins rather than US dollars.
It's not selecting for me here. This chart, sir.
Yeah. AR USDT. No, that's perpetual contracts. It's anyone know how to compare? I haven't got my computer to hand, so it's AR. It's AR USDT.
1 second. I type the same thing. Yes. This only, right?
USDT.
Sorry,
No.
guys.
No.
Sorry,
Yeah, sorry.
it's just AR BTC. That's all.
Yeah, AR slash BTC can work, I guess, if you want to
Yeah,
compare.
it's just AR BTC. That's it.
BTC.
Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Yeah.
This one, right, sir?
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's it.
that's it.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem. I don't know. It's too many charts here.
You don't have the paid version on that one,
Yes,
so
yes.
you can't.
This is my extra computer, sir. I have one more
Yeah,
laptop.
it doesn't let you do comparisons like that. You don't have the
Correct.
plus button function.
Correct.
Okay.
AR BTC, right, sir? AR BTC.
Yeah, I don't think you'll be allowed to do that because you haven't got the paid version.
No, I deleted something. This,
there you
right?
go.
Correct.
That's it. Yeah. Can we look over the last few weeks and just see how we could have traded between the two coins?
Yeah.
When we could have gone into one and then swapped from that one to the other, rather than doing individual trades. What we're doing is when BTC is strong, we're in BTC. When AR is strong, we swap into AR. Does this give us any indication on that?
Yes. And you can see this, sir. When it was below weekly here, from here.
Yeah.
So we can look everyday short. In this way, we have to see. We have to get.
We could have gone into we could have gone into AR in BTC in that period, and when it goes above weekly, we can then go into BTC or AR. Sorry, when it goes above the weekly, maybe we could go into AR. When it goes below the weekly, we could go into BTC because that would be stronger.
Okay, I'll check this. Whatever I'll check. But what I'm seeing here, if you want to trade in this, it was you would have get good trades in this pair. And you can see, you can see the 200 EMA also. It's like it's giving you the
beautiful.
Yeah, you can see every day you are getting. In this way, we need trades. Then only one, so everyone can like we can enjoy it. Oh, yes, we are getting good trades.
Okay, so that's something I'll probably concentrate on that.
Yeah, I'll try this from tomorrow. Sir. And this is like wide X because last week we got very good move, right? We got very crazy move, so we should avoid this week. So maybe next week.
So wouldn't trade, but we would just keep holding. We would just keep holding AR until it went below the weekly. We wouldn't need to swap it. We wouldn't trade it. We would just hold AR. I get it. I get it. So this is really a good pair. My last question, Pramod, is: do you trade gold only Sunday to Friday? Is that right? Is that your understanding? Is that
Monday to Friday?
Understanding?
Monday to Friday. Sunday is market closed. Yes, sir.
So I think it opens on Sunday midnight UK time, doesn't it, or something like that?
Yes.
Or Sunday UK time about 10 in the evening. But volatility is not there in the gold market until the US opens which will be Sunday night or maybe Monday evening, UK time or India time. It'll be obviously later.
Yes, Monday evening we'll get the trades only in New York session.
Okay,
Yeah, like
fine. Thank you very
yeah,
much.
only in New York your session we get 2 trades, sir. So what all this we are seeing like unexpected is going, but actually trade we'll get it in New York session. So what I will see in all New York session.
Thank you, Pramod. Appreciate
Yeah,
you
thank
again,
you so much.
as always.
Okay, sir. Any questions? We'll close this session, sir.
I'm done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very, very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Any questions, sir? So next session, no, I'll plan something different, like for like about I'll go through this Bitcoin like crypto. I'll select good pairs. We'll start focusing on that, sir. We'll get
Did
very good
we
results.
do psychology? Sorry, Pramod. Did we do psychology at the beginning of this session, or have we postponed it to a different
Yes,
day?
we'll do that psychology itself. Even I'll tell about psychology, which impacted for me, sir. Okay, it can be like
Okay.
funny for you guys, but I'll tell how I came back into the like very good, like in this position. Even I was like last 3 months ago, like 3 4 months ago, market was like pathetic. I lose my completely, like I was every day literally I was getting headache because of this trades. You can, I'll show you. So how I came back and what I did there, I'll tell you the what makes you
Because
weaker. I'll tell you that it can impact for you. You can see
yeah,
here
because
four
one of the
months.
disciplines you seem to have is that you will do 2 trades a day and then you won't trade anymore. Whereas for me, if I had traded 2 profitable trades, I would go, "Oi, I can do another 10 trades. I'm on a run," and then you'd lose money and stuff. But your discipline and your psychology is different to mine, and I'd like to learn how you learn to only take 2 trades and then stop and then don't trade the next day. If you have a very good trade, don't trade the next day. I'd like to know how you develop that level of thinking and
Yes,
what got you to that understanding. That would be really good to understand.
definitely, sir. What you said exactly, but I'll make, I'll note it down. I know what to tell, but when it's come to in real like telling, I'll forget. I'll next week, no, when we'll take the session, I'll note it down what all I experienced. I'll share you with you guys. You try that what I did. You do, definitely you will see the very good profit. Definitely we'll talk about this. I'll change
Thank,
everyone here. If you are newcomers, please join next week. Definitely I'll change you guys, and you will see changes
thank,
in you.
thank you, Pramod. Appreciate you.
Thank
Have a
you.
great weekend.
Thank you so much, sir. You too, sir. You too. Thank you so much. We'll meet next session, sir. Again.
Of course.
Yeah, sir.
Wild
Okay,
horses couldn't keep me away.
sure, sir.
Cheers. Cheers, everyone. Have a great weekend.
Thank you so much, sir. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir.
Remember, guys, we're going to open up the voice chat if you guys want to jump in and talk in the Discord. So